Welcome to Fabricville. Today we're going to learn how to sew a lapped zipper. Here we'll place the zipper at the back of a cushion cover. I've cut the front side to the dimensions of the cushion and I'll divide the back piece in two. For the seam allowances, I've added 2 cm to the top section and only 1 cm to the bottom section. Next, I'll sew the zipper to the edges of these two pieces. To center it, I mark the middle of the zipper and the centers of the fabric pieces. I pin the zipper tapes to the right side of the fabric and stitch using a zipper foot. I press the bottom edge against the zipper and top stitch 2 mm from the zipper teeth. Now I fold the top piece along the marked line to cover the zipper, then press. And I trace a rectangle on this lapped section 3 cm from the edges. I top stitch 2 mm from the fold at the edges of the square along the rectangle, then again 2 mm to the fold on the other side. I press to remove any mark from my erasable fabric marker, and after opening the zipper halfway, I place the front and back pieces right sides together. I stitch around, trim the corners, and turn the cover right side out. Now I can insert the cushion through the zipper opening, which is neatly hidden under the lap section. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.